At least 158 people have died in Spain's worst flooding disaster in generations as rescuers battle odds to find survivors. On Thursday, more than 1,200 workers, aided by drones, were deployed to the rescue mission as rains continue to threaten parts of the country. The stream overflows and devastates the entire historic center of Valencia, Albacete. This senior center in Matanasa was completely flooded. Luckily, everyone is now safe. This is the current state of the road in the Pista de Silla area in Valencia. Piles of wrecked cars and mud. Catastrophically tragic. Deceased or missing individuals, dozens of cars swept away by torrents, and flooded homes are part of the long list of damages caused by the cold trop that has severely affected the province of Valencia and other areas of Andalusia and Castilla-La Mancha. Our hearts go out to all the people, dogs and pets affected by the Dana storms. Many people have been displaced, lost or injured, and they need our help more than ever.